In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online selling digital products using Whoop and AI. We'll go from choosing the right product to creating it quickly with AI to launching on Whop, promoting it, and then automating so you can scale. Keep this handy and follow along. First, choose a digital product to sell. Think about a problem you can solve or a shortcut you can provide. AI-friendly options include Canva templates, AI prompt packs, ebooks, Notion templates, social media kits, online courses, digital planners, guides and checklists, and even presets or mockups. Pick one format that matches your strengths and the audience you want to serve. If you're new, start small with a single template pack or a short guide so you can ship fast, learn, and improve. Next, use AI to create your product. ChatGPT is great for outlining, drafting copy, and polishing your voice. Canva helps you design templates and beautiful layouts in minutes. Google Whisk AI can generate visuals to elevate covers, mockups, or icons. CapCut is perfect for quick promo videos you'll use later when marketing. For example, you could have AI draft an ebook, then format it in Canva, build Canva templates powered by AI-generated graphics, assemble social media content packs, or bundle short-form video ideas into a TikTok content kit. Always edit for accuracy, ensure you have rights to any assets you include, keep your branding consistent, and export in customer-friendly formats like PDF, PNG, or zip. Now create your Whop store. Head to Whop, sign up or log in, and create a new store or product listing. Upload your files, then add a clear product title, a benefit-driven description, pricing that matches the value, and eye-catching thumbnails. Set payment and payout settings so you can get paid and publish when everything looks right. Pro tip: include a concise what's included section in your description. Add preview images so buyers can see the value at a glance, and consider a short promo video to increase conversions. It's time to promote. Focus on fast visual platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and Facebook. Create content that demonstrates value, quick tutorials using your product, before and after transformations, behind the scenes how I made this with AI, screen recordings of real workflows, and short tips related to your niche. End with a simple call to action pointing to your Whop store. Post consistently and turn your best performing clips into ads later if you choose. Finally, automate and scale. As sales come in, expand your catalog, bundle related products, build an email list for launches and tips, and consider memberships or subscriptions for ongoing value. Keep using AI to speed up content creation and customer support, gather feedback, and keep iterating. That's how you build momentum and real, repeatable income.